Hello and welcome to today's demo on how to connect Lob and Iterable. This journey is actually going to start within the Iterable platform. And the idea here is that within Iterable, you're probably comfortable with things like sending automated personalized emails and SMS messages. With Lob, direct mail can fit into a customer journey within Iterable in much the same way. So to show an example of a customer journey, you can see here this is an abandoned cart journey. So it's going to wait for an hour once somebody abandons a cart, check if they made a purchase, and if not, it's going to send them an email. It's then going to wait another couple days, again check to see if they made a purchase, and if not, it's going to call a webhook to send a lob postcard. So that's how lob fits into an iterable customer journey, is that you incorporate it into an iterable webhook. And what's going to happen when the user reaches this step in the journey is that we're going to be able to retrieve the name and address of the recipient from within Iterable and any personalized values that you want to share and pass those into a call to Lob's API to generate a single one-off mail piece to be sent to that person. So to show you what that webhook looks like, within the Iterable platform, it's going to make a request to Lob's API, and these are the elements on the left-hand side that Lob requires to send a mail piece, so the name and the address of the recipient, any dynamic merge variables, and the templates that you want to use. You can see on the right-hand side, these are actually mapping back to dynamic variables within Iterable. So you can leverage this to even generate unique QR code landing pages for every single recipient, to send contextual information based on information within Iterable. For example, you can target one template to one audience group and another template to a second audience group. All that flexibility that you have with your digital channels is now available in direct mail. And then once the user reaches that step, it's going to fire off that mail piece request to Lob. Lob will then create that mail piece, and we'll create tracking events for each step of that mail piece along its mail journey through to the mailbox. There are ways to incorporate these tracking events back into Iterable. So if you're interested in that, you can work with your Lob representative to get set up. But overall, the process for getting set up within Iterable to trigger automated mail pieces within Lob is a very simple one. So if you have any questions, reach out to Lob and we'd love to help you get started. Thank you.